Instruct, man. Shout out to everybody out there. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a like, leave a comment. So I was watching a video, man. I did a reacting video for the top 10 ultras of 2020, top 10 pirate show of 2023, man, by Ultras World. And this was one of the team that was on the list. So I said, you know what? Let me make a reaction video for them. Yeah, it should be interesting, man. So today we're gonna check out Botev Plovdiv, Ultras, Bultras, the Canaries, man. So big shout out to Botev Plovdiv. Big shout out to Bulgaria. Big shout out to Ultras Gallery for this video. The link will be in the description, and yeah, it should be interesting, man. With that, here we go. Bultras. So from the seed, I believe the color is yellow and black. Black and yellow, black and yellow. First time reacting to this club, by the way. Let me know who those two I guess those are former players for the Legends, right? Team from Cyprus? The team they play? Oh, this is a European game. Probably a Champions League or damn, Freddy Cougar. That's all the team they beat? Oh yeah, those are throughout the years, man. Man, all the teams they beat, big team. I see Bayern Munich up there. I see Barcelona up there. They're there. Giant killers. Man, these guys are straight out of freaking Fallout. The black and yellow pyros over there, man. Everybody got their gas mask on, man, because they know what's going on. They came ready. They came ready. Oh, lit. Oh, lit. Yo. Damn, the whole section pyros, man. Gold, you got red, you got green, you got black, and you got a whole rainbow. They got every color up there. They got freaking every Now these guys know how to celebrate. We have returned. We have returned. So I guess they came back. Probably a promotion. Trying to promote to the second, first division or something. Oh, the Canaries, huh? Okay, cool. Yeah, instant name, the nickname. So that was the video, guys, man. Big shout out to Ultras Gallery for that video. The link will be in the description, man. Big shout out to Botev Plovdiv for their fans and support, man. That was awesome. That was epic. Really enjoyed it, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave a like, leave a comment, man, and let me know more about your club, man. If you guys kindly do, man. Let me know more about your club, man. Really appreciate you guys, and thanks for the support. And with that, you boys out of here. Peace.